Welcome you all to our Airtel presentation.
Airtel, the smartphone network.
Let's see first index of this presentation.
First introduction. Second founder of Airtel. Third history of Airtel. Fourth parameters. Fifth services. And finally conclusion. Now first introduction. Bharti Airtel Limited, also known as Airtel, is an Indian multinational telecommunications services company based in New Delhi. It operates in 20 countries across South Asia and Africa, and also in the Channel Islands. Airtel provides GSM, 3G, 4G LTE, 4G plus mobile services, fixed line broadband, and voice services depending upon the country of operation. Airtel had also rolled out its Volt technology across all Indian telecom circles. BC, it is the second largest mobile network operator in India and the fourth largest mobile network operator in the world with over 439.84 million subscribers. Airtel was named India's second most valuable brand in the first ever brands ranking by Millward Brown and WPP PLC. Founder of Airtel, Sunil Bharti Mittal, born 23rd October 1957, is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur, philanthropist, and the founder and chairperson of Bharti Enterprises, which has diversified interests in telecom, insurance, real estate, education, malls, hospitality, agri and food besides other ventures. Bharti Airtel, the group's flagship company, is one of the world's largest and India's second largest telecom company with operations in 18 countries across Asia and Africa with a customer base of over 399 million. Bharti Airtel clocked revenues of over $14.75 billion in floor Y2016. He is listed as the 6th richest person in India by Forbes with a net worth of $11.6 billion. In this session, let's US know about history of Airtel. Bharti Group was established in 1983 by Sunil Mittal. In 1986, Bharti Telecom Limited was incorporated as the first company to offer push-button telephones. In early 90s, country's first fax machines and codeless phones were launched by BTL. In 1992, Sunil Mittal won a bid to set up a cellular network in Delhi. His plans were finally approved by the government in 1994. Starting their journey from 1999, and by 2005, Bharti had the network control to extended their service to Andaman and Nicobar. In June 2000, 2010, Bharti acquired the African business of Gent Telecom for $10.7 billion, making it the largest ever acquisition by an Indian telecom firm. By 2015, Airtel became the world's third largest mobile operator, with operations in 17 countries across Asia and Africa. We assume that you have learned some new things about Airtel. Now it's a Airtel advertisement break.
Hello, I am Rohit. My life has changed after switching to Airtel's most reliable broadband connectivity. Would like to introduce you to my super intelligent family. My family is always online and connected to the world 24/7. My wife, our leader, is a very sharp lady. She magically manages to beat inflation every month through smart online purchases. She always manages to save. Thanks to my Airtel broadband connection, she's always updated of the latest deals and zip. She's the first to get the best discount. No delays at all. My son, our all-rounder, he tops in all fields, studies as well as sports. He is very popular among his friends, and all of them prefer to study and play in our house. My Airtel broadband connectivity ensures that all the online coaching classes and games are delivered at super fast speeds and without any lag. Zoom! My supermodel daughter, always multitasking, researching on her project, chatting with friends, sharing videos, uploading selfies. Phew! Lucky, I have so many GBs on my Airtel broadband. No tension on heavy bills. Last but not the least, myself. Our Airtel broadband helps me to be a superman. I manage to spend quality time with my family, watch the latest movie online with them, and yet don't want to brag. Be the best and most productive employee. I am always connected to my office. In fact, my office never misses me. In a jiffy, I'm on video conference directing my team on a critical project, despite being at home. All my heavy project files transferred in a second. Thank you, Airtel Broadband. Switch to Airtel Broadband for smooth, reliable and high-speed internet. Now, no more buffering, no more slow and shared internet, no more unreliable internet. Rediscover your universe with the brand new plans of Airtel Broadband. Visit airtel.in and book your Airtel Broadband now.
The parameters of Airtel are: Mission of Airtel. The mission statement for Bharti Airtel is a public document that details the values and strategic aims of Bharti Airtel. The mission statement of Bharti Airtel also identifies the purpose of the organization existence, highlighting the services and the products it offers. Further, the mission statement also identifies the organization's operational goals for Bharti Airtel. The processes the company uses to achieve those, the target customer groups, and the region where the company operates. Next, the vision of Airtel. The vision statement for Bharti Airtel is its strategic plan for the future. It defines what and where Bharti Airtel company wants to be in the future. The vision statement for Bharti Airtel is a document identifying the goals of Bharti Airtel to facilitate its strategic, managerial, as well as general decision-making processes. Now, goals of Airtel. They have one common goal. Let all Airtel customers unleash the full power of Airtel's products and services. This is flowchart of authorities in Airtel. Now, distribution of Airtel. Distribution of Airtel products flow through franchisee and distributor at first level, then dealers deal with the sale of products to customers or consumers in market. Next, services offered by Airtel. Mobile services. Cellular mobile services across 20 countries, customer and revenue market leader in India. Telemedia services. Offers fixed telephony and broadband internet services provided across 87 countries. Digital and TV services. Pan-India DTH operations coverage across 639 districts. These are business-to-business services provided by Airtel. Now let's see the recent news of Bharti Airtel. Airtel Payments Bank launches Airtel Safe Pay to prevent digital payment fraud. Bharti Airtel divests stake in Sains Technologies. Indian shares edge lower as Infosys, HDFC Bank weigh, Airtel jumps. Amazon links deal with Airtel launch world's first mobile-only Prime Video plan at ₹89. Airtel subsidiary Hexacom to raise ₹1,500 crores. Airtel takes on Jio with revised ₹3,999 1 Gbps Exestrium fiber plan.
Network ready?
It is going to start. 3, 2.
Lucknow station.
No station.
Got it! That was fast.
Video call.
Hi Teju, we'll call you back, okay? Bingo!
MBA colleges. Top 10.
ऊपर ले ऊपर
कैसा नेटवर्क है?
ये नेटवर्क ले यार वो छोड़
ओके
Photo album upload.
Got it!
Honey Singh.
Got it!
Coke Studio.
Got it!
Full movie download.
Wait, it's happening! It's happening! Got it! It's too fast, कुछ गड़बड़ है।
गड़बड़ नहीं 4G है एयरटेल 4G चैलेंज। इससे फास्टर नेटवर्क मिले तो लाइफ टाइम मोबाइल बिल्स फ्री।
क्या बात है?
evaluation and weighty analysis of every aspect of business of the company, we can conclude that Bharti Airtel has to more work in every field of communication business. The presentation done by Jeevan M.S., Sanjay N., Bhuvna S. Finally, we thank Madam for giving this opportunity and friends for listening to this presentation.